what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this 6-drawer dresser that I just put together. And my initial reaction after assembly is that this dresser is actually pretty nice. Now, one of the things that I noticed right out the gates is that it's actually a little bit smaller than most dressers, or at least 6-drawer dressers that you see. Usually 6-drawer dressers, you want to maximize on your space. But I think this is a good sort of a happy medium between a really, really large 6-drawer dresser and one that's just small enough that's not going to take up too much room. So if you see here at the top, it's not too wide. Usually they come out a little bit more, so you can have a little bit more space. But this is, I really think, designed for smaller spaces or spaces where you don't want to take up too much room with your furniture. Now, if we open up the dresser, you can see pretty much how much space you have. You do have some decent space, especially depth-wise, but the way that these operate, they don't have normal drawer glides. On the inside, they have these white tabs right here that hook on, and basically those act as stoppers so they don't go past the plastic tab that's there. So if you push this in like this, you can see that it stops there, and it's basically hanging off that plastic tab that's on the inside there. And it's basically the same thing for each of the drawers. Now here's the instruction manual, and I think they do a couple of good things really well here. For one, they let you know exactly the part that you need in that particular step. So right here, step number 3, they tell you the part number that you need. They give you a picture of it and also the quantity underneath. And then they also have these blown up illustrations to kind of help guide you and let you know exactly how you're supposed to orient pieces and things of that nature. Same thing here and throughout the entire assembly instructions. Now, all the hardware came in this packaging right here, this plastic packaging, and unfortunately they were all kind of mixed together, so you do have to organize all the hardware yourself before you get the assembly started. It takes you a little bit longer to do it, but it's definitely necessary, especially if you want to kind of go through the assembly efficiently and using the right pieces. Now, as for the assembly, it took me just about an hour and a half, I want to say, to put everything together. I did use an elevated work table because, as you're building out the drawers, if you're kind of kneeling down on your knees, kind of hunched over, your back could start hurting after a little bit of time, your knees as well. So just use an elevated work table like I have here. That's a Lifetime brand table that I have, and it basically folds up, and then you can basically raise it up to the level that you need it. So I basically used that to build out the drawers. I also used an electric drill, which definitely helped to expedite the process, but you don't need an electric drill. You will need a screwdriver, and I also do believe it comes with an Allen key for you to tighten all the bolts. But yeah, altogether about an hour and a half. Assembly wasn't too bad, so I definitely wouldn't let the assembly process deter you from taking a look at this dresser. But all in all, I really like this dresser if you're looking for something that takes up less space. It does come in a multitude of colors. This color is obviously the black one, so it's nice and sleek. The assembly process wasn't too bad, and yeah, overall it's a pretty nice dresser. So I highly recommend you go ahead and take a look at it, and I will see you